Hi students, 12th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 3, Illustration Sum number 7. The capital account of Harivaragan and Srinivasan on 1st January 2017 showed a balance of 15,000 rupees and 10,000 rupees respectively. On 1st July 2017, Harivaragan introduced an additional capital rupees 5,000 and on 1st September 2017, Srinivasan introduced an additional capital of 10,000 rupees. Calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2017. So, what they ask to calculate interest on capital? Calculate interest on two capital. What are they? Opening capital and additional capital. We are going to calculate interest for opening capital and additional capital for Harivaragan and Srinivasan for the year ended. The period is very important. Which period we are going to calculate? 31st December 2017. For this period, we are going to calculate the interest on opening capital and additional capital for Harivaragan and Srinivasan. Okay. Listen, the opening capital dated is period is very important to calculate the interest on capital. So, 1st January 2017 opening capital is 15,000 for Harivaragan, 10,000 for Srinivasan. And apart from that, Harivaragan introduced additional capital. That is on 1st July 2017, Harivaragan introduced additional capital 5,000 rupees. Okay. And on 1st September 2017, Srinivasan introduced additional capital 10,000 rupees. Okay, we have to mark it separately, then only we can easily calculate the interest on opening capital and additional capital for both of them. Okay, let's go to calculate the interest on capital. First, you have to write the heading. It's very important. Okay. First, we are going to calculate the Harivaragan's opening capital and additional capital interest. Okay. So, opening capital for year from which period to which period? 1st January. Opening capital period is 1st January 2017. We are on which period we are going to calculate the interest on capital? 31st December 2017. So, we are going to calculate 1st January to 31st December means it's exactly 1 year, right? So, we are going to calculate opening capital for 1 year. Okay. So, what's the format for calculating interest on capital? Amount of capital into rate of interest, right? Amount of capital for Harivaragan is 15,000 rupees. Rate of interest is common, 6% per annum. Okay, so 6% means 6 by 100. So, we have to cancel it now. So, 0 cancel, remaining 150 into 6, right? So, remaining 150 into 6. 6 5s are 30, 0, remaining 3, 1666, 6 plus 3, 9, this 0 is to be here. So, 900 rupees for opening capital interest and additional capital. Now, we are going to calculate additional capital. Okay, additional capital dated is given here. Harivaragan's additional capital dated on 1st July 2017. So, we have to calculate from 1st July to 31st December. How many months are there? You have to calculate July month fully because it's given here July 1. 31st December full month, 31st is given here. Okay, so July, August, September, October, November and December. Totally how many months? 6 months. Okay, from July to September. Okay, totally 6 months. What's the format for calculation of interest on capital? Amount of capital, that means so amount of additional capital here and the rate of interest and the interest on period 6 months. Rate of interest is 6 by 100, 6% means. Okay, now we are going to cancel it, right? So, listen, 1 6 is 6, 2 6 are 12, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, right? This 2 0 is to be cancelled here, remaining 50 into 3, 3 5s are 15, this 0 is to be here. Totally 150 rupees, right? Additional capital interest is 150 rupees. Now, we are going to add these both interest. That means the total interest on capital for Harivaragan is 900 plus 150 equal to 1050 rupees. Okay. Now, we are calculating interest on capital for Srinivasan. What's the opening capital for Srinivasan? Its amount is, the opening capital amount Srinivasan contributed is 10,000 rupees dated on 1st January 2017 to 31st December 2017 is exactly 1 year. So we are going to calculate interest on capital for exactly 1 year. Rate of interest is same, that is 6%. Okay, so 6 by 100. So 10,000 into 6 by 100, we have to cancel it. This 20 is to be cancelled for this 20. Remaining 100 into 6 into 600 rupees opening capital's interest. Now we are find out calculate additional interest on additional capital introduced during the year. Additional capital dated on for Srinivasan is, listen, 1st September 2017 Srinivasan introduced additional capital 10,000 rupees. So 1st September 2017 to 31st December 2017, how many months between them? 1st September means we have to take September full month. Okay, September, October, November, December, exactly 4 months. Same rate of interest for 10,000 rupees, right? So period of interest is September to December. Okay, 4 months. So now we have to cancel it. So 10,000 rate additional capital, rate of interest into period of interest. Okay, 4 by 12. Now we have to cancel it. 3 4s are, sorry, 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12, right? 1 3 is 2, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. This 20 is to be cancelled for this 20. Remaining 100 into 2. 100 into 2, 200 rupees interest on additional capital for Srinivasan. Now we have to add both interest. Okay, so 600 plus 200, 800. Total interest on capital for Srinivasan is 800 rupees. Do you have any doubt? Please comment it on the comment box. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.